Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize your quick launch into a Samsung Tab S8 Plus. First of all, open your settings and from settings find advanced features option. Click here and here you need to find side key option. And first option in the list will be double press. First of all, we need to activate this option, and here we got two options: quick launch camera or open app. And open app option you can customize here. Press to settings and choose your application what you want to up. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.